In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play one of the most iconic guitar rock riffs of all time. It is Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. All aboard, everybody. Alright, so let's learn how to play the riff to Crazy Train. I would say this is probably Randy Rhoads' most iconic guitar riff. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start on the 6th string, 2nd fret, on the 2nd fret right here. We're going to play that twice. Then we're going to go over here to the 5th string, 4th fret, and play that one time. And then we're going to go back to this F sharp here and play this one more time on the 6th string, 2nd fret. So to start, for the first 2 beats, these are all 8th notes. We're going 1 and 2 and. So when I'm building a riff, what I like to do is I like to take little sections of it, in this case 2 beats at a time, and practice it over and over until I'm confident that I'm able to play it, and then I like to add the rest of the measure. Alright, so how I'm picking this, you can pick this any way you want. If I probably played this 10 times, I might pick it different, half the time. But in general, on the 6th string, I like to pick down. And then on the 5th string, on this 4 here, I like to pick up. If you were going to play it properly and do proper picking, you would alternate everything. You would be going down, up, down, up. But there's something about this riff I like to pick down on everything on the 6th string. And then the notes that are on the 5th string I like to pick up. That's just how I like to do it. You can do it any way you like, but I will let you know this riff, playing it up to speed is pretty tough if you're going to do all down pick. It can be done. I just did it there, and that was probably faster than the song actually goes. But I find if you try a little bit of alternate picking is when I'm picking down, then up, and then down, then up. If you put a little bit of alternate picking in there, you will find that you will be able to play the lick faster and quicker that way. All right, so for the first beat, for the first 2 beats, we have 2, 2, 4, 2, or F sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Then for the second beats 3 and 4 of that measure, we're going to go 5 on the 5th string, 5th fret. Then we're going to go back to 2 on the 6th string. Then we're going to go to 4 on the 5th string. And then back to 2 on the 6th string. So it goes 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. Now you see me lifting my finger up. You don't want to do that when you're actually playing the riff. I'm basically lifting it up so you can see the only note that I'm playing. But when I play this riff, I'm going to go. Now I do lift it up a little bit. What I'm doing, I'm not leaving it ring the whole time like this. It's going to start to sound pretty muddy. So you don't want to let that F sharp ring the whole time. So what I'm doing is, if I'm playing this note here, I'm not taking this finger off the string, but I am lifting up pressure. So it deadens it. Alright, so let's play that measure again. It's going to go 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. Couple more times. Alright, now let's take a look at the second measure. This riff is really just 2 measures. This is the first measure. And then now we're going to take a look at the second measure. The second measure begins, we're going to start here on the 5th string, 2nd fret. It's a B. And then we're going to come down here to the 6th string, 5th fret. So it goes B, A, or 2, 5. And then we're going to go to the 4th fret here on the 6th string. Then back to the 5th fret. Then back to the 2nd fret on the 5th string here, this B. And then we're coming back to 5. on the 6th string, then 4, and then the 6th string open. So that measure, the second measure goes 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, open. I think generally I alternate pick that one a lot, meaning I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if I play, I'm going to go ahead and play that a couple times if you want to play along with me. Here we go. Another time. So that measure is the second half of the riff. If we put it all together, it's going to sound like this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play it a couple times, and why don't you go ahead and play along with me. These are all eighth notes, by the way, so we're counting it. If I turn this down a little, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So they're all eighth notes, and they're all played, they're all eighth notes, they're all played evenly. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'm going to play this, and I would like you to play along with me. 3, 4. If you're wondering why aren't you putting in the guitar tablature, I'm not sure about the legality of that, so that's why I'm going nice and slow and showing you exactly how to play it. If you go online, you can find the guitar tablature, no problem at all. I just don't want to be infringing on anyone's copyrights here by putting the actual guitar tablature in this video. So one more time, that riff goes. And that's how you play the guitar riff for Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne.